At Springers Solar, we've been providing homes and businesses across Queensland with effective solar solutions since 2002. With over 100 megawatt installed and counting, we pride ourselves on being trusted by businesses to provide large-scale, quality solar systems. Our expertise and commitment to providing quality solar solutions is recognised throughout the industry, with our outstanding installations being awarded for Design and Installation Project of the Year. We've partnered with notable companies across South East Queensland, working collaboratively to help them obtain energy independence, improve their bottom line, and achieve environmental sustainable goals. Utilising industry-leading software for energy analysis and accurate ROI forecasting, we provide a holistic and transparent view of the costs and long-term benefits so you know exactly what to expect with your installation. Our project manager, RPEQ engineer, and dedicated design team utilise key information about your business's energy requirements and work collaboratively with you to design a custom, tailored solar solution to meet your business's unique needs. Our solar solution designers expertly pair components to create a system that will continue to hit your self-consumption targets and contribute to a larger sustainability goal. Every component we use in our installations is hand-picked by our expert engineers and are backed by proven performance and industry-leading warranties. We know running a business effectively is key to your success, so our administration team work closely with you to ensure as minimal disruption to your business as possible. Expertly led by our Commercial Director, Eddie Springer, our in-house megawatt installation teams comprise qualified electricians and solar installers. Our experienced commercial teams ensure a seamless installation experience with exceptional workmanship, system delivery, and attention to detail, guaranteeing peace of mind over the project so you can focus on what matters. From our directors to our project manager, engineers, electricians, and installation teams, every member of Springers Solar team is passionate about providing the best solar solution for you. Our goal is to ensure we assist you in achieving your business goals, from hitting sustainability targets to improving your bottom line. When you partner with us, you receive maximum reward for little time investment because we do the hard work for you. For the entire life cycle of your investment, Springers Solar ensures your solar system is maximising the benefits to you and your business. Springers Solar, providing energy independence.